Hey guys, today I have to tell you something right now. My cat Marshmallow just caught a baby bird in the sky, and my mom is trying to find the baby bird's mother, and I'm in charge of giving this baby one company. I don't know what to do right now, but can I have some advice for our baby bird, like what to do with one, and which things I can give. I'm not sure if I should give it part of my red grapes, banana, or cheese. But guys, do you think this bird is cute? Just let me know in comments what type of breed it is. I'm not sure if it's a robin. We had some robins. Rarely we would have a blue jay, and it's not blue. Now, Mom's gonna try to find some. Okay, and now she's in the kitchen like she's careless. Crowd house.
Later.